We're at the Windward Community College Aerospace Exploration Lab. The reason we're here is so that the junior Ks can experience firsthand things from space, because we'll be learning about the solar system in a few weeks. After they get to experience some of the activities here, we'll be going on over to the Hōkūlani Imaginarium, where they'll be watching a film in their dome theater about the solar system.
Hi, I'm excited to be here.
Welcome to Windward Community College, and welcome to this room, which we call this room the Aerospace Exploration Lab. The idea behind this room is that listening to someone talk is really great, and watching them do things is fine and good, but getting in there and doing things yourself is the easiest, is probably the best way to learn.
I'm excited because I'm going to learn about space.
We feel it's important for the children to learn things outside of the classroom so they can have a hands-on experience. Especially at this age, it's great for them to be able to learn things with their 5 senses. They can touch it, feel it, see it, and experience it, so they can learn it better and they'll understand it better.
We are very blessed to have our child attend Hawaii Baptist Academy. It is a great school.